All right, we're going to try and do another data recovery here, and we're going to see what happens. Because it is being detected. I wonder if I can just do this. Yeah, look at that. Do this. Choose a device, IODD.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
So what they're thinking happened is at home they use Windows, at school they use a Mac. And so that's what they think happened. All right, let's see what we can do. Partition recovery. New scan. We're going to... Ooh, this number should be moving. That's not a good sign. Let's grab my thermal camera. Because if this thing is getting hot, which it is, but it's not like unreasonably hot. Yeah, it's getting... Like I can't. It's not physically working. And how would I go about actually doing any kind of dump? That's the question. I don't have any tools for doing that. So let's plug this in here. Let's show you guys. So it makes the dong, but you can see how quickly that's heating up. But if it stays stable, I might just have it... So make sure this side isn't heating up. It's not. So let's try, I'm going to try doing something different. I'm wondering if having it directly plugged in is causing some sort of issue. So let's go like that. Now, let's do that. Man, it does not, as soon as it tries to read from this, we're at 28 right now. So we're now trying to access the files off of it. We're 28. We're staying stable. Sure we're not getting hot on this side. We are not. So we're staying at a stable 28 degrees here, which isn't too bad. Now we're up to 30. All right, I think I'm gonna need to. I think I'm gonna have to pull this thing apart and actually look at it under a microscope. Oh, there we got something. It's moving. Usually, though, it shows something there. Yeah, it could. This could be 100% normal. Unfortunately, there's another recovery tool. I mean, my next option is loading this thing into Ubuntu and seeing what happens. Deja vu. All right, so this found absolutely nothing. All right, I really think I need to take a look at this and see if we have a short on here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up let's load up Linux and see if something different comes up in Linux. All right, let's see if anything shows up by plugging this in. It's a big fat no. So that's plugged in. And just to make sure that I'm not, like, trolling here. Yeah, that's where I'm about to head. Just want to see if... Okay, so my other flash drive doesn't show up either. I'm wondering if it's still actually loading. Oh gosh, it's been a very long time. Is it sudo? Oof, what is the command for that? Do you know what they are off the top of your head there, Master? It's like when I say it's been a very long time, it's been like 4 years, 5 years. All right, let's see if these commands work. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. ls blk. It's not even reading this. Wait, what? What's disappearing? Loop 1 through 8, loop 1 through 8. So it's this. Bad. So SDC, so it is showing up. So it's there, type DOS. So it's just called dev SDC. Sudo mount dev SDC slash media slash USB. Whew, doesn't like that, does it? Mount point does not exist. Oh, I can just not do that. But still, it's not showing up here. Well, no, it says it's a DOS drive. It just doesn't say what the format is on it. Here, let's just do this. Sudo make dir slash media slash USB. So let's do that, and then do that. The next step is literally going to be taking this thing apart. If this doesn't work. Really? Can you look that up real quick? Because this was used on a Mac. So there is a chance that it's like it lost the what went someplace. You got one of these little clips off. You guys did not see that, but I just shot this halfway across my office, and thankfully it didn't go anywhere. Let's do it again, just this time not shoot it anywhere. Okay, so that's off of there. Yes. Like what? This is just a piece of plastic. Oh man, so the entire flash drive is in this. Like, there we go. The entire flash drive is inside that. So let's see if we can't get this out. Come on. There's two dimples on each side. One there and one there. That is 100% what's holding it in. And there's one more dimple right in the center. Just don't want to crack this board. Starting to get it to move. Just, you know, fold it open. That's the way that this will work, right? All that really matters. Yeah, it's a micro USB adapter. So all that matters is that. And as long as that, when I plug this in, yeah, that's it. So that's not needed. And literally, it is a micro. That is the entire thing. That. Now, this is where we start ending up with like an actual like potentially aggravating situation here. I see no way to actually open this like at all. But yeah, that's the whole flash drive right there. Yeah, so this is the actual board itself. Like it's just wrapped. Usually you'd like if it was meant to come apart in any way, you'd see. Oh my god, is that a seam? Like right there. Yeah, they melted it together. I have never seen anything like this before. Usually with flash drives, you have a little bit of a circuit board, but in this situation, you literally have nothing. Well, that's bad news for them. Yeah, I'm not going to put this back on there. I'm just going to give it back to them and be like, look, it's going to be impossible to recover data off of this because it's not a software problem. I'm just noticing something on the back of this that I can see with a reflection that I don't think you can actually see with the actual, like, with the camera. Yeah, you can see it here. You can see the circuit lines on the bottom of this. So what we're looking at is literally the bottom of the NAND. It's wild. Gotta love, they have all of this plastic for just that one little, for this. This is annoying me though. Not wanting to sit back in there. One side snapped in. This side not wanting to snap in. Yeah, so this is going to be one of those SOL situations. Alright. Because I think to get this thing open, like, you would need to, like, use a... I don't even... How the hell would you get this open? Like, I can't even... Like, would you heat it up and then pray that it's going to come apart? Is that what's going to happen here? I don't know. How would someone recover data off of this? Yeah, and I don't know. I'm not sure what to say for this, unfortunately. But hey, on the bright side, she'll get her shiny jewel back. Consolation, right? You're saying just try and clone it? That's actually an interesting idea. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it's not happy right now. There we go. So the question is, will it, when I plug this in now, will it read? So that's plugged in, but I don't think it's actively doing anything. I'm not going to shove that back in there. Okay, so it's still showing up as the SDC. All right, so what do? I do DD if equals dev slash SDC of equals sum slash file, right? DD failed to open. To back up an entire copy of a hard disk to another hard disk connected to the same system, execute the DD command as shown. In this DD command example, the Unix device name of the source hard disk is devhda. And the device name of the target hard disk is, yeah, it says failed. DD failed to open that, permission denied. Sudo DD of, I'm gonna try and make an image of it. See what happens. Oof. Oof. 0 bytes copied. Yeah, this thing is DED. Dead. DEED. Yeah. Well, we've tried everything. This thing is just, that's it, unfortunately. Oh, it was their entire school curriculum for the past 4 years, and they need it to graduate. Without it, they can't graduate. And they have no backups. I'm not even making a joke right now. That's what she said. Without this flash drive, she's not graduating. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.